Hey, thank you so much for checking the channel out again today. My name is Agabus. This is your financial education channel, and today we're chatting about Bitcoin and the jobs report. We're over here at the daily hodler. Bitcoin just flashed a signal that previously resulted in over 800% price explosion, says a crypto trader. Analyst and trader Ali Martinez is saying that the realized price metric for Bitcoin is sending a bullish confirmation signal. He tells his 34,000 subscribers on X, formerly Twitter, that Bitcoin's realized price is rising above the long-term holders' realized price metric. According to Martinez, the fact that Bitcoin's realized price is rising above long-term holder realized price metric is an indication that new investors are coming into the market. The crypto market is gaining momentum with newer investors willing to buy at these higher prices. This can be seen as a bullish sign showing confidence in the Bitcoin future performance. The last 3 times this happened, Bitcoin skyrocketed 12,000%, 4,000%, and 800% respectively. Where is the next one gonna be? Bitcoin's at 43,000 and change as the time of this writing. Also, Martinez says there's some good news with Cardano, the 9th largest crypto asset by market cap, echoing the trajectory it followed from 2018 to 2020. According to Martinez, Cardano could rally by as much as 72% from the current levels if and after Cardano manages to maintain the existing pattern. Over here at CoinDesk, Bitcoin dips as U.S. November job growth of 200,000 tops estimates. Now, this is the hard part in the current economy and the capital markets. As job growth goes up, there's a concern inflation may come back. But also, if inflation starts coming back, the central bank has to increase rates, which then destroys the economy and the job growths go down. They really got to thread this needle. Let's see what CoinDesk has to say. Anticipating a slowdown in the economy and easier Fed monetary policy, investors have sharply bid down interest rates in the weeks leading up to this morning's numbers. The U.S. economy grew more than expected of 199,000. The unemployment rate dipped, beating expectations. Economists forecast that jobs was going to be added of 180,000, up from 150. And the unemployment rate forecast was 3.9, so for some good numbers coming out. Bitcoin is in the midst of a sharp 60% rally since the beginning of October, at least in part thanks to lower interest rates on investor expectations that the Fed might soon shift to easier monetary policy. To the extent that this jobs report derails the lower rate forecast, the rally could pause or be modestly reversed. And continuing to Yahoo Finance, inflation expectations hit lowest level in more than 2 years. Not sure how I feel about this statement, but Americans are increasingly feeling better about inflation. The last consumer survey from the University of Michigan revealed consumers expect inflation to sit closer to 3%, down from last month's 4.5%. And expectations for long-run inflation fell to 2.8, down from November's 3.2, which was the highest since 2011. The overall consumer sentiment index surged 13% in December after 4 straight months of declines. Sentiment sat at 69.4, above November's 59.8. Stocks rallied after the print, with all 3 of the major averages reversing losses for the day and pushing into positive territory. The upbeat read in the economy from consumers matches other recent data. Gas prices just hit their lowest levels of this year. Inflation is falling faster than expected, and November's jobs report showed unemployment declined after ticking higher the past several months. The concern, though, is with the labor market cooling but still adding jobs and inflation falling, markets have increasingly bet that the inflation can fall to the Fed's 2% goal without the economy tipping into a recession. The Fed chair said while the lower inflation readings the past few months are welcome, that progress must continue if we are to reach our 2% objective. Give me your few thoughts on where you see interest rates coming. It seems like every day it's always inflation and interest rates. I would love to see what your thoughts are on the current market and where inflation you are seeing. Thank you as always for checking into the channel, listening to the end. As always, stay informed, stay inquisitive, and stay subscribed for more. We'll see you tomorrow.